Good day, folks. In this video, we will be discussing the step-by-step process of getting into social media management. So, let's get started. Social media management refers to the process of overseeing and optimizing an organization's presence on various social media platforms. It involves creating, curating, and publishing content, as well as monitoring and engaging with the audience. A social media manager is responsible for developing a cohesive social media strategy, identifying target audiences, and selecting appropriate platforms to reach them effectively. They also track performance metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversions, and use the data to refine their strategy and improve results. Effective social media management requires consistent and timely content creation and curation. Social media managers often develop an editorial calendar to plan and schedule posts in advance, ensuring a steady stream of relevant and engaging content. They may also leverage social media management tools to streamline their workflow, monitor mentions and comments, and respond promptly to customer inquiries or concerns. Additionally, social media managers engage with followers by initiating conversations, addressing feedback, and fostering a sense of community. By actively managing social media platforms, businesses can build brand awareness, drive website traffic, and cultivate a loyal customer base. Gain a thorough understanding of social media platforms. Familiarize yourself with popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Understand the unique features, audience demographics, and best practices for each platform. This knowledge will help you tailor your strategies and content effectively. Develop a strong online presence. Build your own social media presence by creating professional profiles on platforms relevant to your target audience. Demonstrate your expertise in social media management by consistently sharing valuable and engaging content. This will showcase your skills and attract potential clients or employers. Educate yourself. Stay up to date with the latest trends, strategies, and tools in social media management. Attend webinars, online courses, or workshops to enhance your knowledge and skills. Explore resources from reputable sources, industry blogs, and case studies to understand successful social media campaigns. Gain practical experience. Start by managing social media accounts for friends, family, or local businesses to gain hands-on experience. Offer your services pro bono or at a discounted rate initially to build your portfolio and gather testimonials. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can expand your clientele and charge professional rates. Network and collaborate. Engage with other professionals in the field of social media management. Join industry-specific groups on social media platforms or attend networking events to connect with like-minded individuals. Collaborate with graphic designers, content creators, and copywriters to offer comprehensive social media management services. Showcase your work. Create a portfolio showcasing your successful social media campaigns, content creation, and engagement strategies. Include metrics such as reach, engagement, and conversions to demonstrate the impact of your work. A strong portfolio will impress potential clients and employers. Stay organized and adaptable. Social media management involves juggling multiple accounts, deadlines, and content schedules. Utilize social media management tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social to streamline your workflow and schedule posts in advance. Be adaptable and willing to learn new strategies and techniques as social media platforms and trends evolve. Remember, social media management is a dynamic field, and continuous learning and adaptation are key to success. By gaining knowledge, practical experience, and building a strong online presence, you can establish yourself as a competent social media manager. That is all for today, folks. Consider liking and subscribing if you want more of our contents. Thanks for watching.